from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. Guys, I'm doing a leftover video, okay? Listen, like, subscribe, share, and do all that good stuff. So, you may have seen the enchilada video. So, well, here it is. This is what we do with our leftovers. We make them great. This is a breakfast or lunch, depending on what you want, okay? Listen, got a little extra of that cheese left over. Took some of that beef enchilada. And you know what? I'm just going to roll it in a good old burrito tortilla, okay? I'm going to roll that bad boy up. Look, make sure you get it in there. Fold those ends. There you go. Perfect burrito. Look at the way it lifts the side. Move it over. All right. More rice. Okay. Got a little rice in there. All right. Gotta proportion it out just right. Cheese, we already know. And there go those chicken enchiladas. Oh, with that cream already still in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so. This is how we do leftovers in the house. Okay. This is the best way to do it. You want to do something, you want carb load or carb stack or whatever that stuff is called. There you go. Roll it. Pinch those. Pinch them. Okay, I probably went too big on this one. All right, we're going to squeeze it in there. Get in there. All right, I'll get the pinch those ends. There you go. Rolled it. Voila. Ah, look at that magic. What's next? Boom. Let's put them in there. Put them on the stove. Want crisp. I could have did the kitchen in a box, but I said, why? Here we go. They're there. They're browned. We got them. They're good. Everything's good to go. On the side, they're crispy. You know what? Let's add some cheese to that bad boy. All right, there we go. And we're just going to cut through these and eat. That's it. And that's how you do the leftovers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. And smash that like and subscribe.